Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Iris Software Group Review My Usage Experience. Iris Software Group Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and managing various Iris software products. It's primarily aimed at businesses and IT professionals using Iris software solutions, allowing them to access user reviews, compare different products, and manage their software licenses. Key features likely include product comparisons, user ratings, and possibly integration with Iris software systems. Their website provides details on specific software solutions and their associated reviews. The platform seems to prioritize ease of use for navigation and comparison of different Iris products. Pricing is likely tied to the specific software licenses, and information about contract terms would need to be checked on their website. Availability is worldwide, given Iris Software Group's global reach. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Iris Software Group Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly straightforward. I simply accessed their website and navigated to the review section. The interface was intuitive and clean. I found the specific software I was researching quickly. The product comparison feature was especially helpful, allowing me to easily see the key differences between various options in terms of functionality and pricing. The reviews themselves were insightful and seemed genuine. I was particularly impressed by the detailed explanations users provided. Performance-wise, the site was consistently fast and reliable. I had a quick question about a specific software license and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, very efficient. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, making it slightly less convenient on the go. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Iris Software Group Review My Usage Experience. It's a valuable resource for anyone considering or currently using Iris software products. The standout feature for me was definitely the ease of comparing products side by side. That's my overview of Iris Software Group Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.